right, getting in breaking inputs on this news story. Congress's Sonia Gandhi has strongly criticized the Modi government on the rebranding of Manrega bill, saying that by weakening this law, it has attacked the interests of crores of farmers, workers, landless, rural, poor and other deprived sections of the country. She accuses the government of prioritizing political agendas over the welfare of vulnerable communities and urged authorities to protect the rights and livelihoods of those most affected. That's a big breaking input coming in. Before we take it forward with Pallavi Ghosh of CNN News 18, let's listen into what she's had to say.
मोदी सरकार ने इस कानून को कमज़ोर करके देश के करोड़ों किसानों, श्रमिकों और भूमिहीन ग्रामीण वर्ग के गरीबों के हितों पर हमला किया है। इस हमले का मुकाबला करने के लिए हम सब तैयार हैं। 20 साल पहले अपने गरीब भाई बहनों को रोजगार का अधिकार दिलवाने के लिए मैं भी लड़ी थी। आज भी इस काले कानून के खिलाफ लड़ने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हूँ।
All right, let's take this forward with Pallavi, who's joining us live on the broadcast as well. Pallavi, what is the bone of contention? Because Shivraj Singh Chauhan has always maintained that this is very much in tune with Gandhi's spirit of Gram Swaraj. What is the bone of contention here between the opposition and the BJP?
Well, two mainly. One, of course, because of the name change, which Sonia Gandhi talks about, that why is it the name of the Mahatma has been removed. And with this comes the political spin coming in from the Congress party that the RSS dominated BJP, which is also responsible for the assassination of the Mahatma. That's the Congress's allegation. RSS is erasing the memory and legacy and contribution of the Mahatma. But the second bigger allegation against them is again something which was put forward by Sonia Gandhi is one, that the number of money that is going to be given out to the wage earners has gone down and the money is going to be distributed at the mercy, the state governments are going to be at the mercy of the central government. The centre is going to decide how much money they want to give out to, and the state governments will actually have to dole out much more money from their own kitty. And you know, there is a possibility that opposition ruled states may be targeted and shortchanged by the central government. So it's been an outright rejection of the G Ramji bill, which is epitomized in Sonia Gandhi's brief address that she has made.
Many thanks to you, Pallavi, for putting that into perspective for us. With that